Hello everyone. Today we will complete the setup for the currency on Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. We will learn how to set up exchange rate for the currencies. To define the exchange rate on Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation, we will go to General Ledger module. Under Currencies, we have exchange rate types. You will have a default value provided by Microsoft like average, budget, closing, default. All of this value is a default for Microsoft. You can create your own, but the best practice to use the exchange rate that provide from Microsoft. To create your own exchange rate type, you will click on New, type the exchange rate code, for example, ERT, exchange rate type. Click on exchange rate in above of screen. This screen will open for you. To define the exchange rate between the currency, you will click on New here, select the currency. Always know the biggest currency it will be coming from currency. I will define the exchange rate between USD dollar and Saudi Riyal. The conversion factor, it will be 1. It can be 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. After that, you will go to Add or Remove Exchange Rate. By clicking on Add, you will define the start date for this exchange rate. For example, it will be the 1st of November. It will be 3.75. The system calculate $1 equal 3.75. The best practice here for from date and to date, you will select the whole year from the 1st of Jan to the end of December. You can specify your own period. After that, you will click on Save. This is the way to how define the exchange rate manually. We have also another way to set up exchange rate type automatically by importing the exchange rate from another provider. We will go to General Ledger, Currencies. Under the currency, we will configure exchange rate provider. By clicking on New, we will select exchange rate provider, but it needed an subscription. For example, I will select Oanda rates and click on OK. After you make the subscription, you will take API key. You will copy and paste it here. Click on Save and go to Import Currency Exchange Rate. You will select the exchange rate type you needed to import the exchange rate. You will select the exchange rate provider. Import as of today's date. I need to import the exchange rate for the day for today and click on OK. This will be a patch. It will be run every day. And click on OK. The system will processing operation import the currency exchange rate. It's showing me an error here in the action center. A valid key from Oanda rate is required for this provider to import exchange rate. It told me the operation is cancelled because, as I told you, it needs a subscription from Oanda website. Thank you for watching for today's lesson.